Welcome to another exciting DIY science project. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative science projects and school exhibition ideas. Today I'll show you how to make a solar system working model with glowing LED orbit lights step by step. Materials used for this project: we need thick cardboard or a round thermocol sheet, black chart paper, thermocol balls of different sizes, acrylic or poster paints, paint brushes, wooden skewers or metal wires, white marker, glue gun or strong glue, scissors, 3mm mini LEDs or an LED strip thin connecting wires, 9V battery with connector, switch, small DC geared motor optional. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Prepare the base. Take a thick cardboard and use a compass to draw a large circle. Cut it into a round shape. If you have a round thermocol sheet, you can use that instead. Now cover the entire base with black chart paper to represent outer space. Step 2. Draw the orbits. Using a white marker or white paint, draw 8 circular orbit lines around the center of the base. Step 3. Make the sun. Take the largest thermocol ball and paint it bright yellow. Add orange and red shades to create a realistic glowing effect. Allow it to dry completely. Step 4. Make Mercury. Take the smallest thermocol ball and paint it dark gray. Add tiny black dots to give it a crater-like appearance. Step 5. Make Venus. Paint another ball cream or yellowish brown. Add light brown swirls to represent Venus's thick clouds. Step 6. Make Earth. Paint the ball blue. Add green continents and small white clouds to make it look like Earth. Step 7. Make Mars. Paint the ball reddish-orange and add a few dark brown patches to create a rocky appearance. Step 8. Make Jupiter. Take the largest planet ball and paint it light brown. Draw cream and brown horizontal stripes and add the famous great red spot. Step 9. Make Saturn. Paint Saturn light yellow. Cut a ring from cardboard, paint it golden or gray, and glue it around the planet. Step 10. Make Uranus. Paint the ball light blue or cyan. Add a few white lines if you like. Step 11. Make Neptune. Paint the ball deep blue and add white cloud streaks. Step 12. Let everything dry. Allow all painted planets to dry completely before assembling the model. Step 13. Attach the planets. Insert wooden skewers or metal wires into each planet and secure them firmly with glue. Step 14. Arrange the planets. Now place the planets in the correct order: Sun, Mercury, Venus, globe, showing Europe and Africa, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Your solar system model is now ready. Adding LED orbit light. Step 15. Mark the LED positions. Mark small dots about 2 to 3 centimeters apart along each orbit line. Step 16. Make small holes. Use a pencil or awl to carefully make tiny holes at each marked point. Step 17. Insert the LEDs. Insert the mini LEDs through the holes so that only the LED bulbs are visible from the top of the model. Step 18. Connect the wires. Turn the model over and connect all the positive terminals together and all the negative terminals together using thin connecting wires. Step 19. Connect the battery. Connect the LED circuit to a 9V battery through a switch. Secure all the wires neatly using hot glue or black tape. Step 20. Hide the wiring. Cover the back side of the model with another piece of cardboard to hide the wires and give the project a clean finish. Step 21. Test the lights. Turn on the switch. Watch the sun glow brightly while the LED lights illuminate the orbit lines, creating a beautiful outer space effect. If you've added a geared motor, switch it on and watch the planets revolve around the glowing sun. Extra decoration ideas. Add tiny glitter stars to the black background. Label each planet clearly. Place a bright yellow LED inside the sun for an even more realistic glowing effect. Conclusion: your solar system working model with LED orbit lights is now complete and ready for your science exhibition. This project beautifully demonstrates the order of the 8 planets, their orbits around the sun, and how LED lighting can make your model look realistic and attractive. Thank you so much for watching. Red Heart. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, thumbs up, share out box tray, and subscribe bell for more easy science projects, DIY working models, and school exhibition ideas. See you in the next video. Happy learning.